Money has always built empires, but only a few men in history have crossed the legendary mark, becoming billionaires. Today, we journey from the oil fields of America to the bustling market in Africa to meet the first billionaires who shaped the world. Our story begins in the United States. The year is 1916. America is rising, fueled by oil, and at the center of it all is one man, John D. Rockefeller. Rockefeller co-founded Standard Oil in 1870, and within decades, he controlled nearly 90% of America's oil industry. His dominance made him not just powerful, but legendary. In 1916, his fortune surpassed $1 billion, making him the first billionaire in modern history. Adjusted for today's value, his wealth would stand at an astonishing $400 billion, greater than Elon Musk or Jeff Bezos at their peak. But Rockefeller was not just a ruthless businessman. He became one of the world's greatest philanthropists, giving away hundreds of millions to science, education, and public health. His name is still etched into universities and foundations today. But while Rockefeller wrote the first billionaire story in the West, Africa was yet to write its own, until one man rose from Kano, Nigeria, to carry the torch. His name, Aliko Dangote. Born in 1957, Dangote came from a family of merchants. But instead of stopping at small trade, he built an empire from sugar and salt to pasta, flour, and most famously, cement. Dangote turned everyday commodities into billion-dollar industries. In 2008, Forbes officially listed him as Africa's first billionaire in modern ranking. Today, his Dangote Group dominates industries across the continent, employing thousands and even building Africa's largest oil refinery. Dangote is more than a businessman. To many Africans, he is proof that global wealth is not just a Western story, but an African one too. From Rockefeller's oil empire to Dangote's cement and refineries, the billionaire story stretches across time and continents. One rewrote history in America, the other inspired a new generation in Africa. The question is, who will be the next name to shape the billionaire legacy of tomorrow? This is Emperor's Brief. If you enjoyed this journey, hit subscribe and join us as we uncover the hidden legacies of the legends that shape our world. The Brief, the breakdown, the facts.